we get to have a discussion with myself and with the OG of DTG, Matthew Rome. Matt, how are you?
I'm doing great, Jay. How are you today?
I'm awesome. I'm excited. We've had quite a few folks tuned in. As you know, we had lots and lots and lots of people, hundreds and hundreds of people register for this. So I don't want to take up too much time, but to the point, thank you for taking the time and joining us. I know you're always juggling a lot. You're a busy guy. So let's jump into a little bit from the Epson perspective. And Matt, the thing on my mind that's most important to me right now is, because it comes up so often, is service after the sale. Okay, so hold that for a minute, park that, because I'm going to get to that. But I know that you have a passion and could probably tell us a tip or two, a thing or two of what should we be thinking about, or what are the questions we should ask before we buy a DTG printer.
Well, as you know, my favorite thing to talk about is warranty and service after the sale. And I'm sure that's why you asked me that question.
Indeed.
And by the way, why would you wear a hat that is not decorated to a DTG form?
Well, it's
That's
a foam,
what I want to know.
It's a foam front mesh back cap. And
Yes.
Truth be told, I had my Equipment Zone logo on there, but it was temporary. So
Well,
don't
you
pick on me.
know that you have a hat printing attachment that you can print that hat on a DTG printer.
100% know that.
Yes.
Not this particular cap, but caps in general, yes.
Okay. I
But
could
back
print
to you.
that particular hat. Okay. So anyway, so let's talk about service, support, and warranty.
Oh, hey, look,
So
Jeff
to me,
jumped in. Hey, Jeff, what's going on?
I was just thinking the exact same question when Matt asked that.
There you go.
You're the hat guy, and you got this big hat with this giant white area on it. So,
Well,
But-
maybe there's a surprise to be revealed later. I don't know.
boy,
What?
Inquiry
Anyway,
minds
back
want
to
to
Matt
know.
Rome. Matt,
All right.
tell us.
So let's talk about warranty. So to me, the most important thing is warranty. And everyone, before you buy a DTG printer, you should read the warranty. Warranty should be very easy to read. There should be no hidden gotchas. I like warranties that are what I call a no asterisk warranty. You know, you don't read it and there's asterisks that say see below, and then you see below and it's in some kind of crazy legal language, or you can't read it because the type's too small. Make sure when you're buying a printer, you read the warranty. Some things the warranty should have. Number one, on-site service. That's very important because a DTG machine is so large. Are you going to pack it back up and send it back to the company for repair?
No way. That doesn't make any sense.
No, it doesn't. You want to make sure it has on-site warranty. And if it does, it states a time for the repair. Does it say we guarantee, or as normal it's 48 hours, or does it take weeks? You want to make sure it states a time frame for the repair, and you want to make sure that the warranty covers everything.
Top to bottom, inside and out.
Every single thing.
People still think it does not cover the print head for some reason. Why do they say that? Is that just
I don't know.
legacy from 10 years ago or 20 years ago? Who knows?
Yes, and a lot of our competitors, they don't cover print heads, or they cover them for a short amount of time, or they put a number of prints or what have you on it. So with Epson, we cover the print head too in our first year warranty. Now,
That's outstanding.
I will tell you about Epson because we are so confident in our printers, and we stand behind, and we offer what's called an extended service agreement. So it's an agreement with us that it basically gives you some of the features that were covered in the warranty. It covers print heads. It also gives you on-site service. It still gives you the same guarantees, time frame on coming out for repair. So that's very important too. And that's a way to tell if you're purchasing a printer from a reputable manufacturer or not, if it does have an extended service agreement available.
Yeah, that's outstanding. And like you said, and I think Terry made the comment in his opening remarks about being able to extend that for an additional 2 years. or in other words, the whole thing could, I don't want to compare it to insurance, but it's as if it had an insurance policy over the printer for a total of 3 years. I know as a business owner, I would rest a lot easier knowing that
Oh,
it's
yes.
covered and that Epson is going to be at my doorstep in 24 to 48 hours. That's amazing. It's unheard
It's a
of,
big
quite
deal.
honestly. It is a
Yes,
big
it
deal.
is.
So in the 2 minutes remaining, Mr. Rome, what could you tell us about these people that keep thinking, saying, I hear the chatter and I've seen it online, so there's something big coming up replacing the F2100, right?
Right. Well, here's the thing. We are not replacing the 2100. I will say that right now. Let me
There
say it
you go.
again.
Terry, you heard it here.
We're
Breaking
not
news.
replacing the 2100. If you look at Epson's whole lineup of products, if you look at our solvent printers, you look at our dye sub, you will see that we make a whole line of product. We make smaller machines, medium size, and large. So right now, the 2100 is a great commercial product. But people that want to print high production, we have now come out with a new machine. It'll be available in August. It's called the F3070. Now the
3070,
F3070, yes,
3070.
3070. And if you go to epson.com/F3070, you can read all about the printer. But it's a high production printer. It's for someone that wants to print 50,000 shirts a month. You know, it's a very high production. It's way more expensive than the 2100, but it is not a replacement for the 20.
Oh, that's good lead-in music. That's how exciting it is that you have that F3070 on board, and it's about to be available to a limited supply, I'm assuming, the way Epson likes to roll things out. That's exciting news. Can you give us, before we close, because I just want you to tease our audience in terms of production times and costs, can you give us some generals maybe?
Well, in general, this machine will print a standard 14 by 16 print in right at a minute. And
Wow.
the production cost is around $1. So it's very high speed, very low cost machine.
That is some excellent news. That is exciting news, Matt. I'm excited that you shared that with us. Anything else before I turn it over to Terry? I know that seems like a little short window, but don't forget, Matt Rome is going to join us. He's going to be on our panel of experts. So if we have any questions specific for Matt or specific to Epson, that's the guy.
No, Jay, thank you so much again for inviting me. And I'd like to say a special hello to Jelaine in Columbia.
Okay, that's exciting. We'll leave it at that.